In today's video, I'm going to show you how to shut off some of the features for this Sonicare toothbrush. Now, I believe this is the ultimate clean model, but I could be mistaken. But a lot of these Sonicare toothbrushes share the same type of features. And so there are 3 features that you can adjust and 1 that you cannot. Now, the one you cannot adjust is called the quadriceptor, and that's every 30 seconds it goes whoop, and it asks you to go to the next quadrant. I wish we could shut that off, but you can't. But here's how you do these other 3 features. The first feature is an easy start. The easy start means that when you first buy this, for 14 days it has a low setting and it kind of ramps up and it cleans more aggressively. So here's how you do that. All of these features you have to be on the base of the charger like this. Each feature is accessible by pressing the power button. The first feature, when you get a single beep, well, that's the easy start. 2 beeps is going to be the brush head replacement reminder, and 3 beeps will be the pressure sensor. So let's go through the easy start first. Press and hold this until you get 1 beep, and then if it goes do do do, that means that it was off and now you're turning it on. If it goes doot do do do, that means that we're going to shut it off. All right, now I've got my Yeti microphone out and I'm going to put it right next to the toothbrush so that you can hear this. So let's go through the first feature and we're going to turn on the easy start. So we should have do 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 and it should ascend. All right, so you wait for the first beep. If you wait too long and get to the second one, then you go to the second feature. So make sure just 1 beep. I'm going to shut it off. So let this power button go right after you hear 1 beep. And that shuts the easy start off. All right, let's move on to the second one, which is going to be the brush head reminder. And when you do that, you're going to shut off this orange flashing light and also a series of beeps when it comes time to replace this. So that's feature number 2. We're going to listen for 2 beeps. That turns it on. 2 beeps. Okay, let's go a second. We'll shut it off. Okay, so the last feature is the pressure sensor. So let's turn it on and then I'll show you, I'll demonstrate the pressure sensor. That's option number 3. All right, pressure sensor is on. Here's how that works. Hear that? That goo-doo-doo-doo-doo. All right, that's saying that you're pressing too hard. All right, let's shut that off. All right, now let's test it. Now it doesn't have that wobbly sound. All you're getting is just a little bit higher tone because I'm pressing really hard, but we don't have that wobbly feedback. So that's how you do it. Those are the 3 features that you can adjust.